If you are still paying for Adobe Acrobat just to edit a PDF, convert documents, or sign forms, you are probably spending more than you need to. The good news is that there are several free PDF tools that can do almost everything Adobe Acrobat does, and some even offer features that Acrobat reserves for paid users. In today's video, I'll show you my top 7 free PDF tools that are better than Adobe Acrobat. Whether you are a student, a researcher, business owner, or office worker, you will definitely find one that is perfect for your workflow. Let's get started. Starting our list is PDF24 Creator. This is one of the most underrated PDF tools available today. Unlike many online PDF editors, PDF24 gives you both an online platform and a completely free desktop application for Windows. With PDF24, you can merge multiple PDF files into one document, split large PDF documents into smaller sections, compress PDF files without losing much quality, convert Word documents, Excel files, PowerPoint presentations, and images into PDFs, and even extract pages from existing documents. One feature I particularly like is that you can rearrange pages by simply dragging and dropping them. Another advantage is privacy, because most of its tools are available offline. Your documents don't need to be uploaded to the cloud. If you regularly work with confidential reports or research documents, that's a huge advantage for you. For Windows users, PDF24 is honestly one of the best free PDF tools available. Coming in at number 6 is Xodo PDF. Xodo has become extremely popular among students and researchers nowadays. Its biggest strength is collaboration. You can highlight text, underline important paragraphs, and draw directly on PDF documents, add comments, insert sticky notes, and even collaborate with others on shared documents. If you are reviewing lecture notes, journal papers, or project report, Xodo makes the entire process incredibly easy. Another impressive feature is form filling. Instead of printing forms, completing them manually, and scanning them back, Xodo lets you fill everything digitally. It also works across Windows, Android, iPhone, and web browsers, meaning your documents stay synchronized wherever you are. For academic work, Xodo is definitely one of my favorites. At number 5, we have Sejda PDF, which is the one I'm currently using. What makes Sejda unique is its powerful PDF editing capabilities. Unlike many free tools that only let you annotate documents, Sejda actually allows you to edit existing text inside PDFs. You can change words, adjust fonts, insert images and hyperlinks, create fillable forms, add digital signatures, rotate pages, crop documents, and much more. It even supports optical character recognition, commonly known as OCR. That means scanned documents can be converted into searchable and editable text. The free version has a daily usage limit, but for occasional editing, it's more than enough. If you frequently receive PDFs that need small corrections, Sejda is an excellent option. Number 4 goes to PDFgear. This tool has grown incredibly fast because it combines traditional PDF editing with artificial intelligence. Besides allowing you to edit PDFs, convert documents, merge files, compress documents, and perform OCR, PDFgear include an AI assistant. Imagine opening a 300-page research report. Instead of reading everything yourself, you can simply ask the AI questions like, what is the document about? Summarize chapter 5. What are the key findings? The AI analyzes the document and provides answers almost instantly. For researchers, lawyers, students, and business professionals, this can save hours of releasing time. And surprisingly, most of these features are completely free. Taking third place is iLovePDF. If you've ever searched online for PDF tools, chances are that you've already come across this website. The reason it's so popular is simple. It offers almost every PDF tool you can think of. You can merge files, split documents, compress PDFs, convert between PDF and Word, Excel, PowerPoint, JPG, and many other formats. You can also add page numbers, rotate pages, protect PDFs with passwords, and add watermark and repair damaged files. The interface is extremely clean and beginner friendly. Even if you've never edited a PDF before, you will probably figure it out within minutes. Our runner-up is PDF Candy. PDF Candy offers more than 50 different PDF tools in one place. From basic editing to advanced document conversion, almost every task is covered. One of my favorite features is its batch processing capability. Instead of converting documents one by one, you can process multiple files at once. It also includes OCR, watermark removal, image extraction, page cropping, password protection, document repair, and many other useful tools. Another advantage is that both the online version and desktop version are available, giving you flexibility depending on your needs. And my number one recommendation is ONLYOFFICE PDF Editor. While many people know ONLYOFFICE for its Microsoft Office alternative, not everyone realizes it also includes an excellent PDF editor. The editor allows you to annotate documents, highlight text, insert comments, fill forms, add stamps, create signatures, and collaborate with others in real time. If you are already using ONLYOFFICE documents, the PDF editor integrates perfectly with Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files. The interface feels modern, lightweight, and surprisingly fast. Unlike many free PDF editors filled with advertisements, ONLYOFFICE offers a clean, professional experience. For users looking for an Adobe Acrobat replacement without spending money, this is one of the best options available today. So which one should you choose? If you want the best offline solution, go with PDF24. For students and researchers, Xodo is excellent. If you need advanced PDF editing, Sejda is a fantastic tool. And if you're interested in AI-powered document analysis, PDFgear is hard to beat. For quick online tasks, iLovePDF is incredibly convenient. If you process lots of documents every day, PDF Candy offers one of the largest collections of PDF tools. And if you are looking for a complete professional alternative to Adobe Acrobat, ONLYOFFICE PDF Editor is my top recommendation. Those are my top 7 PDF tools that can easily replace Adobe Acrobat for most people. I'd love to know which one is your favorite, or if there is another great PDF tool that deserves a spot on this list. Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos on the best free software, AI tools, productivity apps, and websites. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.